Hi everybody, Alex the Ploy here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the performance of the Liberty range of trading robots that was launched just over a month ago. And here are the two robots that were launched. The one is the Wave Liberator that basically enters trades on new highs and new lows on horizontal and non-horizontal support and resistance. And then we have the other one, which is the RSI Liberator, which enters on hooks made by the RSI indicator, confirming strong reversal. So these EAs are based on pretty sound entry criteria. But we were very cheeky because these robots were designed at the time and we had no track record. So we launched the robots anyway, and what this video is all about is to show you a bit of the track record that's developed over the last 40 days or so since the launch. Also, what we produced are some videos supporting the EA, and on your screen you can see some sources for settings for the robots and also where set files can be found. So let's have a look at some publicized trading done by these particular robots. And on your screen here you can see some $10,000 accounts, but they are adapted for $1,000 accounts, and the secret really is just reducing the lot sizing to 10% of the $10,000 account. When it has a 1K in front of it, it means it's possible to trade it as a 1K account, and it's actually designed to be traded as a 1K account. So but let's have a look at the actual performance, but bearing in mind this performance revolves around about 40 days of trading. And here you can see the first one has doubled its balance. It started with 10,000 and it has doubled, and we need to look at equity when we talk about the final balance, because the balance itself ignores open trades. Equity takes open trades into account. So here you can see the results have been absolutely fantastic. A 120% return, a 67% return, 64% return, and so on, right down to a 35% return. And these accounts, when they've got an R behind them, it means that it is the RSI that's being traded, and when it has a W behind it, it means it has the Wave Trader that has been traded. But as you can see, the performance is really encouraging. It's really good, and we are very happy with the results that we are getting. The drawdowns can become quite high. There you can see quite a big drawdown there, 40% drawdown, 34% drawdown. So what has happened is that this performance is really as a result of lot sizing that might be too high. So if we halve our lot sizing, then the drawdowns obviously will also halve, but our income will also halve. So traders need to make a decision. Do they want to be aggressive, double their account, draw their money out and trade on like that, or do they want to be conservative and halve their lot sizing, or even make it even smaller than half? So, but what we do is we create the opportunity for you to make those decisions. Right, so let's have a look at some other ones, and here are some other accounts. You'll see they've got skip behind them, which means that we have put a safety mechanism in that when there is a drawdown, that the EA will skip some of the top-ups when trading. And these results are also very robust, all positive, except that they are quite a lot lower than the ones we saw previously. So what this says is that if you want to go for conservative, safer trading, you use a skip option. You can see the drawdowns in general are quite a lot lower. There are some high ones, although again, remember, these are the $10,000 accounts. If you're using a $1,000 account, that would be $140 and $129, not too bad. So the skip function is great, but it does reduce your income considerably. Then we have some pre-launch accounts that we've been trading from the time that we developed the EA, we started trading. So those are the earliest accounts that we've got. These have been trading possibly for about 50 or 60 days, and you can see some really great results. Here's the one wave trader has almost double its account with no drawdown, in fact a positive drawdown. So really good results there. There's this one is battling along a bit, but the others are, again, you're looking at a 39% return here, a 77% return, and then a 29% return. So really good returns. We're pretty happy. Again, the drawdowns, you've got to watch those, but it depends again whether you're trading a $10,000 account or a $1,000 account. Then we've got some other $10,000 accounts that also are adaptable to 1,000 that are slightly different to the first batch, but they also are producing really good results, and there we are. You can see small drawdowns. If you're using a $1,000 account, that is literally a $26 drawdown. There are, however, some ones that have high ones, and we'll have to look at that particular. That's about the only account in this whole group that is highly problematic. But again, if you divide by 10, it's still within an acceptable range. The other thing that you need to notice is that all of the accounts that we have on our linked account server and that we've shown in this video are positive. So of all of the accounts, the equity is actually positive. Now, most of these accounts are available on our Link to Success service. They either in the linkable account section, or some of them have been suspended, and you can go to the suspended section to see some of the others. They have obviously fully recovered and are no longer required in the suspended. Over the weekend, we'll most probably be adding a whole lot of new accounts to the Link to Success service. If you're not already using the service, go to that link that is on the slide and read all about it. It is a very powerful service where you can link your trading account to successful, proven robot strategy. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you've seen the potential of the Liberty range of robots. You can see that some have doubled their balances, some are pretty close to doubling them, others are very safe, and so on. So the Liberty range has definitely proven itself. We've launched it in good faith in terms of having no track record. At least now we have a track record that says, yes, this is a powerful group of EAs, and they tend to produce only positive results. As always, the links to any items in this video will be in the description of the video as well as in the first commentary. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.